Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1965, The Sound of Music from 20th Century Fox had its world premiere in New York City. Adapted from a Rodgers and Hammerstein musical, and starring Julie Andrews and Christopher Plummer, the film would become an all-time classic. The Sound of Music became the highest-grossing film of 1965, with 30 weeks at number 1. Its initial theatrical release lasted over 4 years, and it won 5 Oscars and was added to the National Film Registry. And it was released 60 years ago. Have you seen it? Do you love it? I sure do. Anyway, have a magical day.